Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. And got myself a reMarkable Paper Pro move. Let's get on with the unboxing. The reMarkable folios are designed reMarkable, excellent and nice feel. There's something premium about the reMarkable folios. I didn't get one and I'll share with you why. And as you can see, one of the reasons is the pricing. I got an alternative. I'll show you in a moment. So depending on what you get, the price is different and the different colors. And the different material used, the price changes. But for me, I can't justify the price for myself as a small business person. And I'm glad I managed to get this alternative one. It works well. I want to show you something. This is my reMarkable 2 that I've had for more than a year, and I move with it, travel with it. If you've watched my videos, I have it everywhere with me. Apart from this, and that's that. It's like new. In fact, the lucky person who will get it after I factory reset it will be lucky, because it's really like new, no scratch at all, no dent, nothing. And that's because I used this. I didn't get the reMarkable folio. I got this one. These Chinese made ones. It's plastic, but because it has a matte feel, it has worked okay for me over the more than a year. It hasn't, in fact, that's this one. See, this one I can see somewhere. And they're not expensive. I can afford to get a different amount if I want to, but I like the fact that this had worked very well with my screens that I'd customized this one. So anytime I opened it, it really looked nice. But what I was showing you is, see this dent? This could have been on my reMarkable. And that's why I prefer, apart from the price, to get this. And so having a case like this for me works better. I should make my reMarkable 2 resellable and return the chunk of money I've used on the move back to my purse. When I had to choose a folio for the move, I was so glad that there were already folios. I think 3 months ago, when I checked immediately, the move came out. Of course, there was nothing. Hey, the Chinese are fast. 3 months later, at least we have these options. It's not as premium, of course, like a reMarkable folio, but it fits right for me in my hand because it's something I'll use in my hand often. I thought it would be too thick because the move is thicker. It's not. The only thing I don't like is this black bit. I wish this extended all the way to the end. But the good thing is they're not too expensive. So if another pretty one comes up, I can always snatch it up. They're less, about $10. And so this also feels nice inside. And from here on, I will have it in here. And that's the reason. Another reason I didn't buy the reMarkable one is because I prefer my pen to be encased instead of the other one which just has the strap here, because I want, when it's in my bag and it's closed like that, it's not moving. The tip and the nib is not going to, as I search, women's bags, as you search through things, then it's getting damaged, and this is quite expensive, and changing nibs, I don't want to have to worry about that for a while. And so when it's in, it fits so right. My pen is encased. If I'm walking, I don't have to worry if it will fall off, although as I've shown you, the magnet is quite strong. This also auto wakes and then auto sleeps. So right now my reMarkable is on sleep mode, and when I open, it actually auto wakes. So I don't know if that will help in preserving the battery, taking it straight to sleep mode. But the fact that this is in here for me and fits right, it's still not too big, not too bulky. I really like this. reMarkable, could you consider making your folios with some encasement like this? I would buy. I know price may not be as good, but I know your folios are premium. Would you consider that? So here we go. Very, very nice. I can't wait for different colors to come out, but this is also nice and how do I say, official looking. If you go on there, you open it, it still looks, and most of the time when I'll be holding it like this. This is velvety matte, so when I'm holding it like this, it's also okay, you know, for my work. It's easier to go in. Oh, why is it not going in? Oh, okay. It's easier to go in like this into what you need and just write. Keep writing, keep writing. Most of the time, really, this reMarkable, I'll have it in my hand. That's what I use it, or on my desk, like here on the side, propped up for my videos, or on my lap, you know, like I'm on the couch, as an idea comes up, I just do this. And so I don't have to worry too much about the size. And that's why most of the time I have it in the case, because I move around with it quite a bit. And also so that the tip of the pen doesn't get damaged as it goes in and out of the bag, because it really so magnetic, it won't fall, but inside the bag I don't want any damages to my marker. And that's it. I really look forward to this. I look forward to having it, to using it. I hope you enjoyed this and you found it helpful. And if you liked it, please subscribe and press the notification so that you don't miss out on future videos. And also follow me on Instagram at Juliet Megwe Inspires, and also TikTok to see my daily travel and resin products in my small business. God bless you. Barakatele. See you on my next video.